tips to pass any class as an international student. As an international student, going to school away from home can be an amazing experience, but it isn't always easy to quickly adapt to the educational system or the language of your host country. The above can make it harder to understand and retain what is being taught, adding to the stress and anxiety you already have from living and studying abroad. Let's talk about 5 key things that you should do to succeed in college, passing all your classes while you build bridges for your future post-graduation. Go to class. While I can feel your eyes rolling from here, don't cut classes. As an international student, there is even higher risk to you not going to class. Your enrollment and attendance are key elements for maintaining your status per your visa requirements. There is a lot of material covered in one single class, and missing it can delay your progress. You don't want to only rely on getting the notes and information from a classmate, as they may not have paid enough attention amongst other factors. For instance, while you may be able to still get the notes from your friends, professors often tell anecdotes during lectures. These stories are often related to the topic they are teaching, and being present to hear them firsthand or to ask questions can be essential for your understanding of the topic's context for later assignments, projects, or quizzes. Also, when you are in class, you can and should take your own notes. You will find that writing your own notes is powerful in a way that helps you understand the subject in your own words, which significantly helps when it is time to review and study for that quiz or midterm. Some studies even suggest handwriting your notes has a highly positive impact in your ability to retain information. 2. Get hands-on. If there is an open discussion or a demonstration, make sure you take part. It lets your instructor see that you are interested, and it is a great way to find out more information. Make sure you get involved with anything that is going on outside of class as well. It's a good way to make friends and learn more about the area of study you are enrolled in. You can also volunteer somewhere related to your subject of study. If you are studying to be a dentist, see if you can volunteer at a local dentist's office. Even just filing and answering phones will help you understand much more about your chosen topics. Additionally, volunteering in such activities will look great on your CV, as it will give you some experience that you can later show to prospective employers. That said, you are highly encouraged to ask your professor for potential volunteering opportunities that you might be interested in and that are related to the topic. 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If, like me, you come from a cultural background where it is not actively encouraged to openly question existing concepts and authority, you might have a hard time speaking up in class initially. But I've got great news for you. In the US, you don't have to worry about speaking up or questioning anything that does not make sense to you, no matter who it comes from. Ask questions about everything you feel unsure about. Besides, you will be of help to other students as well, who may be afraid to ask for themselves. Back in the day, I was afraid to ask obvious questions. No one is asking about this, so everyone must get it. If I ask, I look stupid. Looking back and knowing what I know now, I can assure you there is no such thing as a stupid question. During that time, when it did not come easy for me to simply start speaking up more in class, what I found to have worked well is to send my instructor an email after class to clarify anything I did not understand or take advantage of their walk-in or appointment-based office hours. 4. Take advantage of the Student Services Center. Additionally, most schools and universities in the U.S. have a Student Services Center where you can find help for classes that may generally be known as difficult, such as STEM topics or even help with English as a second language. Often, this type of tutoring will come at no additional cost to you. A tutor might be a great idea if you are falling behind or do not understand the material. 5. Get a routine. Make a study and homework routine and stick to it. For instance, if you work better in the mornings, read your notes before you get to class. When you have a solid routine for studying and doing your homework, it stays with you longer. Having time set aside for study allows you to book some fun activities too. You need to get out and enjoy yourself with friends or new people. Things to keep in mind. Certain topics will be more challenging than others. Study and do the homework or projects for the ones you struggle with first. It's too tempting to procrastinate and do poorly if you don't. If seeking tutoring or asking your professors sounds intimidating, check with fellow students for help or suggest forming a study group. Is there a tip I forgot to mention and that you would like to share with other international students? If yes, I would love to hear from you. If you've made it this far, congratulations on taking up your study abroad journey to the next level by learning with our videos. For more information, please visit our website fstudentlife.org. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates.